This is what is happening right now. We are squirting myself.
Get some car.
Okay. Okay, I got it going. Ready?
You ready?
Ready? Here, I'm gonna do it from this angle. Go for it. So, was it fun being hit by a car?
Yeah.
Or pretending to be hit by a car?
Yeah, I let cars hit me all the time, so I play practice.
That's perfect.
Driven by professionals.
Yes. I think you're going to win an Oscar for your performance in this for best, most realistic car hitting a person ever.
Alright.
Yes.
Just have to sign my contract.
Yes.
How much are you going to pay me?
I don't know yet. Wait, will you accept dinosaur cookies?
No, only bloody zombie cookies.
Oh, there you go. YouTube might sue me for showing Heinz, but that's okay.
Oh.
Even though it still says Simply Heinz.